Hey guys, so today I've got the new Laneige Glowy Makeup Serum. And really quick, I want to shout out to my new Patreon, Deanna. Thank you so much. Very excited to have you. So I've got some fun things in store very soon, so stay tuned for that. And a live stream Saturday at 2 p.m. Central Time. I'll post that too. So anyway, Laneige just came out with this recently, which was also on, I think I picked it up from Style Korean several weeks ago, and finally I saw it live on Sephora's site, so I thought I would do my quick review of it because I'm actually really excited about this one, and it takes a lot to get me excited. This one is a new serum which you can use as a makeup primer. They recommend applying it right before your foundation. I don't. I recommend applying it right before your sunscreen and then applying your foundation afterwards. But it does take away some of the glow with an extra layer, but I still think it gives a really nice glow. And for Laneige, this one's fragrance-free, which doesn't happen all the time, but I'm really into Laneige lately. They've been doing a good job. So this one actually does work great as just a serum in your evening routine, or if you use it as a primer before your sunscreen or foundation. And it does give a slight glow without looking glittery or sparkly. And it really just gives skin a nice healthy appearance, which is nice. So no fragrance, no denatured alcohol in there. It's got some beneficial ingredients, a little bit of dimethicone halfway down, but argan oil, vitamin E, some good things in there. Although if you pick it up, keep it in your cabinet. Don't leave it on your countertop because it's a clear bottle and some of those good ingredients can get degraded from the light. But overall, it works well. I wouldn't say it extends makeup wear. It really doesn't work in a primer that way, but it kind of works as giving your skin just a nice natural glow and hydration. I would say if you have dry skin, I've been able to layer this just in addition to my normal routine. I usually apply a serum, a vitamin C product, moisturizer, then my sunscreen and foundation. And I've just added it right after my moisturizer and applied it then before the sunscreen, and it's worked just fine. No issues with pilling or anything like that. If you have, sorry, that's Ike. He's coughing in the background. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but I can, and I almost started laughing. Anyway, so it works just fine. If you have oilier skin, I would say this might be all you really need. Although a good vitamin C serum in the daytime always goes a long way for helping to fight free radicals. So oilier skin, you might not necessarily want to use a hydrating serum or your moisturizer, but instead just apply this, your sunscreen, then foundation. It works just fine. So a little bit of it goes a very long way and rather affordable. I think, well, I got on Style Korean, I think it was like $15, but Sephora, I think it's like in the 30s. So if you check out some of the K-beauty sites and check this one out, you might be able to get it a lot cheaper. Although shipping, it's worth doing some searching before you pick it up. But anyway, for Laneige, I'm super impressed because I thought for sure this was going to have tons of fragrance in it. And it doesn't. No scent at all. Nothing bad. Just some good things in there. So, yeah. So you can see how it kind of sets to a finish. And it does set to a slightly tacky finish, which also makes it even better. So if you apply your sunscreen over it, no issues with that. I probably wouldn't want to make this the last layer just because of that. But if you apply something else over it, it's not a big deal. So anyway, I've got some other fun new products, so stay tuned. I don't know. Not going to make you guys sick of me, but I might. So anyway, interested if you have a chance to try this, leave a comment. Or if you have a favorite primer serum, what is it? I know J1 makes some good ones, but anyway, leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more later. Thank you so much.